Alright, what's going on YouTube? Well, van's running like a top. Got a little smoke a little bit there, but that's probably from when when I disconnected the AC the other day, or dropped a little bit of oil down there, but it's finally starting to slow down now. But anyway, got a bottle of antifreeze and a bottle of water in the reservoir tank here, and going ahead and starting to go ahead and do the burp of the system. Got my father up here and everything to help out, and he may talk a little bit on the proper procedures on how to do this. So if you ever run into an issue or trying to do this or whatever, you know, we'll guide you through the steps on what you need to do. So first of all, just to starting out, go ahead and hook up your battery post. Make sure that this here is full, and go ahead and get you a funnel like this one here. We went ahead and cut some tabs off so it would fit down there with a tighter fit, and go ahead and fill it up with a jug of antifreeze and a jug of distilled water. That's only if you're mixing 50-50 yourself. So I'll come back here in a minute and we'll get started. Alright, I think he just got through putting the fan and stuff on. Alright, he just got through putting the defroster on. This also helps circulate through the heater core, and also fill up the heater core and everything. So just wait right now, just waiting on the thermostat to open. Once the thermostat opens, we'll go ahead and start filling the reservoir up again. Do not want to cause any air to seep in, or we'll have to redo the burping again. So just make sure when you do this, turn it all the way high, max heat, so that way all this fluid and stuff can run through the heater core. See, there it goes. Alright, well, thermostat basically closed. So now, be careful when you do this, because it gets hot. But you can see how well, if I can get it, there you go. That's what I was telling y'all about, that it will come up. Here in a little bit, you'll see bubbles. Kind of leaking on this edge over here, but it's filling up. Now it's belching. It does have air in the line, or air in the system.